So we're here at the first job and we got to get ourselves up here, get the hoses up, soft wash and pressure wash the roof at probably like a medium pressure, just enough to get the algae off. I'll show you that, but first let's get the tanks full of water and we'll crack on.
So if you've not seen the setup before, it's like a soft wash system. So we've got the water hose, pressure washing hose, window cleaning hose, soft wash hose, and we've got all the chemical mixing. It's a little bit messy, the van right now. Let's get this thing. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Fantastic.
We nearly made it. That's defeated us. So on this last little stretch here, just downstreaming, just to touch up some of the like stripy lines. It's getting a little bit dark now, so, and cold. I don't think the solution's going to work too good. But I'm about to come back on another day, so stay tuned for part 2 and we'll see this finished off. We're back at this job again, round 2. So got a new turbo lance, the old one was knackered, and a new trigger gun to replace this old one. The threads had gone and the trigger was like bypassing, so it's like dribbling out the end. So let's just repair it. So this is where me and Dan got to, who was helping me at Solihull exterior cleaning. This is where we got to. I was hoping that some of the striping from where we used the turbo nozzle would have worn off, and I think it has worn off quite a bit from our previous cleaning. We used like a downstream injector and treated all of this when we left, but there's still some striping left. So basically the purpose of this cleaning was the roofers needed to be able to see the bolts that hold this cladding down, and they're basically going to replace all of the bolts, so they just needed it to like a good level of clean. So this will be satisfactory for them. But yeah, that was the project really. Probably should have mentioned that at the start. It wasn't to get like 100% super duper clean, it was like, let us get it to a level where we can actually clean it. So that's what we had to do. This is it finished now. We cleaned everything. If use the downstream injector to treat everything, and overall it's a pretty good level of clean. Okay, so as promised, I'll share with you the lessons I learned on this metal cladding roof job. I should start with the obvious things, health and safety. So I'm not recommending doing what we did in this video. We didn't have a safety harness, and we didn't have it like on a lanyard connected to, so basically on these roofs, there's supposed to be like a metal wire that runs across like the top of the roof and the sides, and you're able to like hook your safety device onto that's attached to your harness, and it's to allow you to like work on the roof safely. What they did have on the roof was they had like scaffolding around the outside, so if you ever did slip, you would get down to that level, there'd be scaffolding there, so that was okay. You do want to watch out for, or we did watch out for, the skylights. They are fragile and you will go through them, so you've got to stay away from the skylights unless you want to fall through them. The other thing that we learned as well, on those really like algae stained metal roofs, you want to pre-treat it. Now the problem with that is once you've pre-treated it and you're walking on it, it gets quite slippy. But if we hadn't have pre-treated it with a soft wash solution, it would have been really hard for us to be able to pressure wash.
It's like, it's very slippery, but it comes off pretty easy.
So if you do use a pre-treatment, in terms of cleaning, what we did was we started on the top of the roof and we actually started pressure washing from the top and worked our way down, because that gave us like a clean surface to stand on as we were working down. You would think, you know, like it sounds obvious, but that actually works. Don't bother working from the bottom because you're going to be slipping and sliding everywhere. So just bear that in mind, you know, clean and then walk on the clean area. So we just started from the top down. We were cleaning that roof at like a medium pressure as well. We didn't need to use a boiler, although that might have been beneficial. That might have helped lift the stains out easier. That might have allowed us to not use a soft wash solution. So that was another thing that we found out, that you didn't actually need like a boiler or anything like that. So that's pretty interesting. You've done the cleaning as well. We found that putting another soft washing solution down after, that just helped us get rid of those like striping marks. So that was really beneficial as well. If you're unsure of some of the terminology, like, you know, what is a downstream injector, we have a video on what is a downstream injector. And we've also done I've done some like experiments to like make a downstream injector work with your pressure washer, even if you've got long lengths of hose. So we've got some videos on that too. If you liked any of the equipment that was used in this video, you can learn more by visiting herosoftwash.co.uk, see some of the products and services that we offer. We make soft washing equipment here in the UK, but why buy equipment from Hero Soft Wash? Well, it's a small company. It's just a company of one right now. It's myself, and I have another guy who also works with me on some pressure washing jobs. My background is as an engineer. I've worked as an engineer since I left school, for over 10 years. And this is the passion that I'm pursuing as well. So if you're looking for soft washing equipment and you're looking for high quality equipment that's built to last, visit our website, see what we've got on offer, and see if we can help you with your next pressure washing or soft washing build. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're one of our already nearly approaching 200 subscribers, thank you for watching. I'm very grateful, and I appreciate your comments and support. And if there's something you want to see from me, other content, other bits of the business, you know, let me know. I'd love to maybe show a different side of what we do in a soft washing or pressure washing business. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Peace.